This is the Parkland Real Estate Market Update Year in Review. Looking back on 2023, there were some major changes, and we're going to go into them. So, first off, the average days on market for 2023 for a home to be listed and go under contract was 49 days, as opposed to 2022, there was only 31 days on market. So, that's a 37% change. Of course, more homes were listed, as well as interest rates caused buyers to get a little pickier, and it took longer for houses to go under contract. So that was definitely a major change in the market. The median sales price, this is what we give to talk about values, what overall Parkland, and this is from smallest houses to the biggest houses. So our median sales price ended at $1,113,750 to be exact. In 2022, it was right at 1.1 million. So that was a 2.3% increase in value. So understand, with interest rates getting to an 8+%, a 23-year high, homeowners insurance going up, inventory being low, we still saw an overall increase of 2.3% on values. So what does that mean? It means that Parkland is a very strong market, and it's a healthy appreciation when your values go up, especially at a volatile time in our mortgage and real estate market and homeowners insurance market. So all these negatives did not impact the market to bring it down. Sales. We had 552 sales in 2024. That's single family sales. And we did have 561 sales in 2022. So that was only a 2% decrease. So we did not go down even in inventory. People listed and they sold. So we definitely had low inventory, but it did not affect the market. People still bought and gobbled up Parkland real estate to live that down. The list to sales price ratio. This is how close the home sold to the actual listed price. And last year it was 96% of the list price. The year before in 2022 is reference, it was 98%. So we have a 2% decrease. And look at it. If it's a 1 million plus house, that means that homes sold for about $20,000 to $25,000 less than they would have sold in 2022. So our list to sales price ratio ended at 98%. So we're actually 2% above the average. And we had 10% of the inventory sold by Parrot Realty and Parkland. So that's a number that I'm very proud of our team. Cash sales. In 2023, we had a little under 30% cash. So in 2022, it was 30.1. So we actually had a decrease, a very small decrease, but there's a lot of cash sales going on in the market. And obviously for the last 2 years, people have done cash sales purchases because they didn't want to, take on those higher interest rates, particularly during the months of October or so when we saw, 8+% rates. Now that we're coming down, maybe we'll see more mortgage buyers enter the market, take advantage of some lower interest rates. Maybe they'll get into the 5%, and we might see that come down. So overall, Parkland's super strong. Despite such adversity, it's like Superman in Parkland. So many people want to live the lifestyle, great parks, small town living, close to everything, but also amazing schools, great place to live, such value that we have. And it was so resilient over this past year. And I'm so proud and honored to be working and living the Parkland lifestyle. So these predictions and everything that we're putting together for 2024 just shows such growth. And I think we will increase values, and it just is going to be a great 2024. But 2023 ended on a great note, great sales, great marketing, availability for homes. People were buying, people were selling, and I'm super proud to be a Parkland resident and sell this lifestyle.